plug, y'all. We pulled up to awful lot of it. You know what I'm saying? For a lot of y'all out here, Desto and this brand should really be like something that you look towards, because coming from the streets, coming from where he came from, he fully legit, and now he got one of the biggest clothing brands. So we with Gustavo right now, and he gonna show us like what his favorite pieces are.
Check it out, bro. This past weekend, we did a collab with Peasy. See, there's it right here.
Awful lot of ghetto boys.
A lot of ghetto boys. There's our pastel Easter spring collection. You see, we got the classic in all different colors. See, that's what don't really gotta do much. All you gotta do is just change the color, use the same design. All this shit's gonna sell out. There's our more hair collection.
This one, show me this one. This one go crazy, y'all. If I wasn't like 30 and burnt out, trust me, I'm walking to the store like this. Loki, how much is this right here?
This right here, the full set is about 600.
600. Woo. I'm too Asian for that, but if I was younger and not Asian, that shit is hard.
There's our Rich Girl collection. This is Wife's collection, Rich Girls, a lot of Rich Girls. Yes, sir.
I should actually buy one of those because his wife is the one that put me on.
This is all from Rolling Loud right here. Yeah, man. And then we do different types of beanies. We got the mohair beanies. We got the regular beanies. We got like all different colors in this one. We got the money bags. $420 right here.
What's your favorite out of everything you showed us? What's the one piece you walking away with?
You see, I can't even do that because it's sold out. We probably only got like a 2X. There's a rhinestone hoodie.
That's the rich people shit.
Yep. You gonna be shining everywhere you go.
So the next time y'all out here at Melrose, make sure y'all pull up, show some love. Awful lot of it. Awful lot of free game. You know how we come.
Got a flight, nigga can't even see me on way out of here. I'm too far in the sky. Heard me, it's ash ready to dump my ashes. Bitch so pretty, look better than Cassie. Puffin' on Zooters in Chicago.
Yo, what I owe you for like 2 shirts? What I owe you for like 2 shirts? There you go, 160 for you. Listen, when y'all pull up, you gotta shop. You gotta spend that bread, you know what I'm saying? Don't be asking for no free shit. Don't be asking for no discounts. Just pay the tab. Appreciate it, bro.
That's for you, right? That's not your shirt.
Oh, shit. Damn. Woo. Smell good. I'm gonna give this to OG right here. OG in the slides. Awful lot of it. Oh, this is what I really needed right here. Vertically integrated, y'all. You know what I'm talking about? You got the shoes, the clothes, and he got you on the wraps. What else do you need, bro? Awful lot of quesadillas coming out next. Next door. Hey, this for Gustavo, bro. You take care of me, you gotta take care of everybody else.
Bro? From Atlanta, I had to bless you with the Waffle House.
Oh! Y'all already know this collab right here. Awful lot of it.
I was inspired from my first trip to Atlanta. I always go to the Waffle House, and I'm like, how can I incorporate this into some clothes? A lot of times, inspiration comes from anything you see. You don't have to copy somebody. It could be from what you eat. It could be from what you like. It could be from a situation or an emotion. You can draw inspiration from anything.
Gotta cross-reference. Remember we told y'all. You gotta pull references from something else and tie it into the culture that you're a part of. Perfect example.
And I had to give you this one too. My boys fuck with you. This the Stink Team collab.
Let's see.
Ralphie the Plug, he's an artist who does his own merch, so I did a collab with him as well.
Hey, that look like my dad right here. OG. I'm gonna get OG to wear that model.
Yeah.
This man got the sodas too, y'all. Vertically integrated. Next up, you're gonna have an awful lot of quesadillas right there.
Gotta go, food truck.
Pass the shoes, gonna give it like tires and rims. Yes.
It's always good to upgrade too. You know, I've been doing Dickies for a very long time. So I'm just trying to get like, you know, more my own style of things. This is cut to sew Dickie jacket with the Chanel patches on the back. I wanted to incorporate cookies and cough syrup together. I think I did a good job of it.
I like that. Kicks and clothes go with cars and rims.
Yeah.
Vertically integrated, y'all. Gotta go vertical, you know what I'm saying? If you got a nice clothing brand, the next step is the shoes.
Because all they going to do is buy it from you and go somewhere else to get the shoes. You got to have the shoes and the socks.
And the socks, and then the beanie, and then the jacket. So, put y'all on game. Yeah, we had to pull up. He gave y'all a free game. Make sure y'all stay tuned.
Free game.